ICT concepts. So the following are reference points in institutional order flow. So let's look at the USD/JPY for the reference points. So the first reference point and in institutional order flow is order blocks, right? Order blocks. We have an order block here that got repriced. So order blocks. Second one is fair value gaps and liquidity voids. Fair value gaps. See this fair value gap here or liquidity void which was filled in hours later and refilled again hours later. Or this very liquidity gap or liquidity void that is being filled in as per now. The third are liquidity pools and stop runs. Liquidity pools and stop runs. See this consolidation here. So the highs and lows, the equal highs and lows, leave liquidity pools on top and below them. And as you can see, there was a liquidity pool right here. And look at what happened to it. It got stopped out. Yeah. Liquidity pools and stop runs. Here we have a liquidity pool and we have a stop run here. The fourth and final is equilibrium. And equilibrium is what we used to take this trade here. Yeah. As you can see, we are up, we are going. Look at this perfectly well. These are ICT concepts. Equilibrium. So we have our Fibonacci right here. We draw a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. And price came back at our order block. We repriced the previous order block or the previous liquidity pools or the previous value gaps, right? And we tested and price came back near or at our equilibrium price, 61.8 level or 61.8% level. That's why I always want to take trades. And this is the new series that I'm going to bring you guys. This is new. This is for 2023 traders. These are elements of a trade setup using the ICT concepts. Yeah. Using the ICT concepts. We're going to be talking about expansion, retracement, reversals, consolidation in a way that has never been taught before. We're going to talk about market efficiency paradigms, speculative, uninformed money, smart money, liquidity providers, yeah, unwilling liquidity, all that. The interbank price delivery algorithm, price delivery, consolidation, expansion, all that is all incoming. All that is 2023. All that is here for you. Yeah. Questions like what is expansion? What's the importance of expansion? What do we look for in price? Yeah. What do we look for in consolidation? What's the consolidation? What is the retracement? The importance of retracement. For example, the importance of retracement is when price returns inside a recent price range. This indicates a willingness on the part of the market makers. To reprice to levels not efficiently traded for fair value. And what do we look for in the retracement? For example, this retracement here. And what do we look for in retracement? We look at places where the fair value gaps. We look for fair value gaps and liquidity voids. Yeah, liquidity voids and fair value gaps to be filled in order for us to take these trades here. So this is what you should expect in 2023. I'm bringing the fire. I'm bringing everything.